Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris, and on this channel I drop videos on how you can make money online. So if you are new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to get the content. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can get the new AUTOMATA token and how you can 20x your portfolio on AUTOMATA using this strategy. So ensure that you follow the video till the end of this tutorial. So AUTOMATA is a new token that is being launched, that is being introduced to the crypto space, and Binance will be listing it very soon. So how can you earn this ATA token on Binance? So what you need to do now is to go to Launchpad. You see Launchpad here. That's Launchpad, and if you cannot see Launchpad, you can just go to more, then you get to see Launchpad from there. And if you are using the web version, you can always navigate your way through to the Launchpad. So once you click on Launchpad, you get taken to this particular interface. So as you can see, this is the ATA token currently going on, and it will end very soon. So what you do is, for you to get this ATA token, you have to stake your BNB, your Polkadot, or your BUSD, and the staking goes for 30 days. So currently it is running. Some days are already over, and we only have about 26 days, 17 hours, and 41 minutes for you to farm this token. So if you go to BNB, once I click on BNB pool, if you have BNB, you click on BNB pool. So this is it. This is the token. So we have 28,000 BNB pool rewards for this ATA token. So this will be shared by those that stake. Then this is today's ATA pool rewards. That's 2.8 million ATA tokens have been shared for today, and this is the total number of BNB, total amount of BNB staked. You can get to see your staking history here, and you can also see this. This is the time until listing. So we have just 1 day, 23 hours, 40 minutes, and 55 seconds left for it to be listed for trading on the Binance trade room. So if you scroll down, you can see where you can stake, and you can see where you can redeem. So I'll just go straight to how to stake. So what you do now is click on stake. So once I click on stake, I want to stake all my BNB, so I click on maximum. So once I click on maximum, then I come down to click on stake. So once I stake, you can see successfully staked BNB. So that's how to stake and farm this token. So every hour they calculate my rewards, and I get to claim it. So you can see on claim rewards. So every hour you can always come down here to claim rewards. So all you need to do is click on claim rewards. So you click on claim rewards, and this will be sent to my spot wallet. So let me check if it is on my spot wallet. Of course it is, but just to confirm. So let me go to my wallet, go to spot. So you can see it here in my spot wallet. This is the ATA token. So guys, that is how to farm this token. So how to make 20x on this token is where I am actually going to. So if I go back here, what happens is these tokens on the days of their listing, on Binance, they are always the prices always skyrocket. I'll give you an example of TLM. TLM was farmed at last month, and when it wasn't listed, it was around 0 point something dollars. Let me open the chart so you can see. So at the time of listing, it was very low. At the time of listing, it was very low. So you can see it's peaked. This was the listing price, and when it was listed, it went as high as 5.9, US dollars. So this is what most people do to rake in profits on this. So most people buy these coins from other exchanges. So they buy these tokens from other exchanges, like as at when it was in 0.1, 0.2 USDT for one of these tokens. They stack it up, and once it becomes listed on Binance, then they sell those tokens, and that is how people earn 20x, sometimes 100x on this token. So you just all you need to do is to wait for it to be listed on Binance. You wait for it to be listed on Binance, and I displayed it right here, the day, the time until listing. You can see we have just at the moment of making this video, we have just less than 2 days left. So all you need to do is be active and awake for this particular listing, and once it's listed on Binance, you sell immediately. So there are many exchanges that you can buy these tokens from. You have to just go to CoinMarketCap to make your research on this token or other new tokens that may come your way. So this is the strategy most people use to make more money and huge gains from new tokens and before they get listed on Binance. So guys, that's it. That's what I have for you today. If this video has served value to you, please ensure that you like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Now, before I go, I didn't explain a part. So if your staked funds, if you want to redeem them, all you need to do is to click on redeem once you go to your Launchpool. So once you click on redeem, you can always redeem all your funds. So you can always redeem your funds, and have it in mind that once you stake your funds, you don't lose any of your fund. It's still there, just that you are using it to farm this token. So once you stake it, you get these tokens. So guys, that's it. If this video has served value, please ensure that you share to your friends, and if you want me to make other videos in the future, please ensure that you let me know in the comment section below. So guys, stay safe and don't forget to support me by subscribing. Bye.